Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a full month of content in minutes using Claude AI. What if I told you that the 30 videos, 90 tweets, and 60 Instagram captions you've been avoiding could be done in the next 20 minutes? Sounds crazy, but it's not. By the end of this video, you'll never stare at a blank page again. Step 1. Start with content pillars. The biggest mistake people make? They start too small. They go to Claude and say, write me a YouTube video about fitness. That gives you generic, useless content. Instead, start with content pillars. Here's the exact prompt I use. I'm a content creator in the health and fitness niche. Give me 5 core content pillars my audience cares about. And for each pillar, give me 6 video or post ideas. Just like that. You get 30 content ideas from a single prompt. Step 2. Turn ideas into scripts. Now pick any one idea and go deeper. Use this prompt. Write a full YouTube script for this topic. Paste idea. Include a strong hook, 3 main sections with examples, and a call to action. Within seconds, Claude gives you a complete script. But don't just copy-paste it, edit it, add your personality, make it sound like you. Step 3, repurpose into multiple platforms. Now comes the real power. Take that same script and use this prompt. From this script, extract 3 tweet threads, 1 LinkedIn post, 5 Instagram captions with hooks, 1 email newsletter. Match the tone of the original. Just like that, 1 video becomes 10 plus pieces of content. You can adjust the platforms and quantity however you like. Step 4. Repeat the process. Now go back to your list of 30 ideas. Copy the next idea, paste it into your script prompt, then repurpose it again. Repeat this, and you've got a full month of content done fast. Step 5. Create a content schedule. Finally, ask Claude, create a weekly content schedule based on posting X times per week across all platforms. Now, you don't just have content, you have a complete system. To learn more useful tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.